Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram highlight cross post to Facebook. Now to use this feature, you simply have to open your Instagram application, then swipe towards right from your main feed to access this story maker. Now select a media from your gallery or just take one. Now you should be able to find this arrow-like option over here. Go ahead and tap on it, and you should also be able to access this sharing option. Go ahead and click on it. From there, make sure that you have enabled your Facebook story to on. Now once you enable this feature, your story will also be posted to your Facebook. Now to simply create a highlight, you have to open your Facebook application, then head to your profile by tapping on your profile icon from the navigation bar, and from here you should be able to find another option called highlights over here or on the bottom menu. Now all you have to do is click on it, and from there select your current story, and you should be able to add it on your profile. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.